So guys, for this waffle recipe, here is all we need. So in here I have 600 grams of flour. So this is 80 cl of milk, yeah, both of them. So here I have 2 sachets of baking soda. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding vanilla sugar because I don't have vanilla at home. So but this is optional though. So I have 4 eggs here, and I also have sugar. I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of sugar, yeah. So, and also salt. We need about 2 pinches of salt for this recipe. And of course, it's a blender recipe, so we need our blender and also our waffle iron. So guys, let's get into it. Guys, this is a very easy recipe. Yeah, everything just have to go inside the blender. So I'm going to be starting with the liquid. Just have to help your blender a little bit. This is what it's looking like, yeah. So our waffle iron is here. I'm just going to rub it with some oil and we are good to go, guys. Some people do add the oil to their mix, but I just find that's really not necessary. I don't know why. So I just use it to grease my iron and then pour in the mixture. So guys, at this stage our waffle is ready. Yeah, you can use any setting. If you don't want it to be too brown, you can always turn it, yeah, but I want it to be like brown and beautiful. So our waffle is ready. This is beautiful, guys. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Yeah, this is all we got. We got about 12 waffle from that mix. Actually top it up with anything, Nutella, jam, or anything you want. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.